Hi all, what's up? Today we're going to be talking about how to make a hydroponic system for only $5 about. So in order to do this, you're going to need a few things. You're going to need some hydroponic fluid or whatever. This is hydroponic powder, so you need to dilute it, but it's a lot cheaper and you get a lot more value for it. So this is $12 for the entire thing. But of this giant container, we're only going to use probably like a few teaspoons. And other than that, you're going to need a knife and one of these containers. So yeah, that's it. So the first thing we need to do is we need to figure out how big these are. So this is 15 quarts, which means it's like 3.5 gallons about. So, and for this, you use 1 to 2 teaspoons per gallon, meaning we're gonna use probably like 6 teaspoons in here. So yeah, now that we know how big this is, we can go fill it up. Okay, so now that we have this filled, the next step is to take our MaxiGrow, in my case, or whatever hydroponic powder you have. If it's not MaxiGrow, like the MaxiGrow 514 or whatever, you're gonna wanna look on the back to see how much you should use per gallon, because you could burn the roots if you put too much in and kill your plants. So yeah, so we're gonna open this. Usually they come with, ooh, I just poured that all over myself. Usually they come with a scooper. But if they don't, just get like a teaspoon from your kitchen. So yeah, so we're gonna take, this is about 4 gallons, so we're gonna put probably 5 teaspoons in. Okay, so now that we have our fluid in there, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna somehow, some way, stir it up. So since I don't have like a spoon or anything, usually I do it in like a gallon jug and then I just like shake it up, but I'm not doing it in that today. So I'm just gonna use my hand to kind of stir it around. Probably not the best way to do this, but. Okay, so when you get it like all mixed, it should look kind of light greenish. And yeah, that's how you know you're good. When it's not fully mixed, the light greenish water is all at the bottom. So if you're doing it in like a gallon jug, it always sinks to the bottom. I have another video on hydroponics in which I did it for the first time, so you can check that out too. Alright, so now that we have the water mixed, the next step for us is to cut the top. So basically what we're doing is we're cutting holes in the top, and that's where the plants are going to be. So when it's done, this will be on top, but there will be little like holes for the plants to be out of, so that's what we're going to do now. Okay, so I'm taking a knife. This one has a serrated edge, and I'm just going to go into the middle and try and penetrate it. Be very careful in this step, because you're using a knife, so. Okay, so I have my 3 holes in. They're all, the second one and the first one are kind of close to each other, but can't really uncut it, so we're gonna have to live with it. So the next step is the best step, which is plants. Okay, so we have our little victim. It's a lettuce, a red romaine. And basically what we're gonna do, you wanna get most of the dirt off. Sometimes it's kind of hard to get the dirt off without hurting the plant. So if there's a little on, it's fine. I'm actually gonna go kind of wet it to try and get the rest off. Okay, so we have our little dude. He's gonna go into this one. And I'm gonna try not to hurt him when his bulk goes through. Should have probably made a thicker hole, but it's a little too late. So yeah, there's our first boy in, and now I'm gonna put 2 more in. Okay, so we have our little hydroponic system. When I go in, I'm probably gonna put saran wrap to keep them upright as kind of like dirt almost, so that they stay upright. But yeah, this is our $5 hydroponic system. I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, I'm probably gonna keep this inside under my grow light because nothing's under there right now and it's about to thunder out. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to like, subscribe, comment, do all the stuff. Please leave your flexes, comments, antidotes, opinions, stories in the comments below. And if you really want to give me a dopamine hit, you can hit subscribe. All right, y'all. Bye.